Question number 151. The Fusion development team at Innovate Corp needs to troubleshoot an existing Power Automate flow in their test environment where direct development changes are permitted. Which command should they use? The first question is enable changes to the flow. The correct answer is edit. The second question is enable changes to the object. The correct answer is turn off. Question number 152. The digital transformation team at Stellar Innovation needs to implement a complex calculation that Power Automate cannot support. This new business logic must process data from multiple tables, return a final value, and be initiated from an existing Dataverse action. What should you recommend to implement this logic? Option A, bound action. Option B, custom API. Option C, unbound action. Option D, scheduled workflow. The correct answer is option B, custom API. Question number 153. You are building a business process flow for the field service team at Apex Dynamics, which they will use in the Power Apps to manage on-site jobs. The flow must be available offline and must trigger an email to the dispatch team when a new job record is created. To properly configure the business process flow for these requirements, what should you do? The first question is make it available offline. The correct answer is ensure that the business process flow is referencing one table. The second question is send an email to the team. The correct answer is create a step. Question number 154. You are a consultant for Northwind Traders configuring their sales management model-driven app. The app must meet the following requirements. Prevent a user from saving an account record if real-time validation handled by a custom action fails. Query and bulk update the status of multiple related contact records. You need to configure processes for the app without using code. Which processes should you use? On the left side, you have the processes. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct process. The first requirement is prevent users from saving a record. The correct process is classic workflow. The second requirement is query and update records. The correct process is Cloudflow. Question number 155. The customer service team at Contoso is building a Canvas app to manage support cases. They require a button on the case entry form that allows an agent to send a confirmation email to the customer. What should you create to implement this email feature? Option A, classic workflow. Option B, Power Automate Cloudflow. Option C, Azure Logic App. Option Option D, business process flow. The correct answer is option B, Power Automate Cloud Flow. Just a quick reminder, if you don't have time to watch these videos and instead download all questions and answers, feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 156. As a consultant for Orion Group's Sales Excellence team, you are building a Power BI dashboard to help sales manager track opportunities. When a new sale exceeding $1 million closes, a notification must pop up on the dashboard, and an email must be sent to the leadership team, ensuring this email functionality is implemented without editing the Microsoft Dataverse. Which two elements should you configure to achieve this? Option A, a Power Automate flow. Option B, a calculated column in the Dataverse. Option C, a paginated report to save to Microsoft OneDrive. Option D, a custom connector. Option E, alerts in Power BI. The correct answers are Option A, a Power Automate flow. Option E, alerts in Power BI. Question number 157. The customer service team at Contoso Solution uses a model-driven app for case management. They have the following requirements to automate key communications, which must be implemented with the least amount of custom code. Send an email in real time to a customer when your email address is first captured. Send a follow-up email at the same time every day for cases that have remained open for more than 24 hours. You need to select the correct automation components to build the solution. Which components should you use? On the left side, you have the components. On the right side, you have the requirement and you need to choose the correct component. The first requirement is send email to customers when email address entered. The correct component is Power Automate flow. The second requirement is send email at the same time every day. The correct component is Power Automate flow. Question number 158. The sales team at Tailwind Traders uses a Canvas app to log new opportunities. You must implement a no-code approval process for managers to review any opportunities valued at over $1 million. What should you create? Option A, Power Automate Cloud Flow. Option B, Power Apps Component Framework, PCF Control. Option C, Column Expression. Option D, Azure Service Bus Service. The correct answer is Option A, Power Automate Cloud Flow. Question number 159. The finance team at Summit Financials is building a Power Automate flow to send a daily summary email. To configure the flow to process a list of year-to-date YTD totals and include each one in the email body. Which feature must you use? Option A, loop. Option B, wait. Option C, condition. Option D, parallel branch. The correct answer is option A, loop. Question number 160. The Data Solutions Operation Team maintains a classic workflow that updates a custom identifier column on a new account record. This workflow needs to populate the custom column with the account number, or if blank, the ticker symbol, and if both are blank, set it to an A. When configuring the update record step, what approach should you take? Option A, add a formula that evaluates the two column values and uses the first populated value or else the default value. Option B, add an expression that evaluates the two column values and use the first populated value or else the default value. Option C, add the two columns with the default value by using the forms assistant. Option D, add check conditions to determine if the two column contains data. The correct answer is option D, add check conditions to determine if the two columns contains data.